Hey guys, Corey here from JB's Power Center, and today we've got a 2020 Volkswagen GLI in the shop that we're doing an MBRP exhaust kit on, and afterwards we've got some comparison videos so you can hear before and after to hear just how good it sounds. When compared to a common muffler swap, this MBRP kit is a precision-designed masterpiece. This 3-inch catback system for the Volkswagen GLI maximizes weight savings by removing the resonator and the muffler, saving nearly 30 pounds thanks to the Helmholtz technology. This technology maximizes performance by reducing flow restrictions, taking out any drone and unwanted tones without needing a traditional muffler. This gives both car and driver the purest sound possible. The 304 stainless steel finish guarantees no tarnishing or rust, while the carbon fiber tips complete the look of this already stunning car. If you're interested in an MBRP exhaust kit for yourself, come on into any JB's Power Center or shop online at jbspowercenter.com.